Hi, this is Jim, and welcome to another tutorial on adding content to our new platform sites. This time we're going to do a video, which is super easy. I'll just kind of run through it quick. There are a couple little caveat traps, loophole-y things which you should be aware of, but otherwise, you know, literally you can add one of these in like a minute. Once you have an account and so forth. Okay, so first thing, log into your account, which up here you'll need to either connect with Facebook, connect with Google, create an account. If you create an account and you're a new user, you'll need to validate the email on that account first. You'll get an email and you'll have to click on the link and so forth. I'm just going to connect with Google. This is just a normal user. I'm going to click the create button. Now we're going to put up the video that I did earlier on a news article. So I'm going to go to that page on YouTube and click the link. And we're going to click video up here in the upper right. And now we're going to go put in a title, which is going to be how to add, tutorial. Oops. There we go, on adding a news article, because I've already done this once. You can click it, put in the vendor, which we'll put in videos first as a category. You'll need to add at least one category to the lineup here. So if you don't know anything, just add videos. And then we're going to put in the vendor, which I'm going to put in as KitMaker Network. And that should do it. Description, we'll just put in this video gives you an idea. All right. Actually, this tutorial, this tutorial is on adding a news article via the new platform. And how easy it is. Okay. So URL, we just need to type that in this video entries field. Just put in the URL, boom, like that. Click get. Okay, if the video is an older video, this is the problem I ran into the first time. If the video is an older video and it's been on YouTube for at least, you know, hours or whatever, normally the preview image will automatically be plucked from here. But since this is a brand new video that I just uploaded, YouTube has not yet got around to creating the preview image, so there is no preview image here. I'm basically wanted to do this to just show you that it's not a big deal. You can actually just put in your own image and so forth. But, you know, not a problem. For example, I can put in, if I put in another video, which, not that one. If I go to KitMaker and pull up one of my other videos, let's say mail call. I just want to show you, but basically, shush. And click get again. See how that automatically plopped in the video there, or the image, the preview image. So we're obviously not going to want that video on there. It will leave the preview image in there. Not sure I want to leave the preview image, but it doesn't look like it's going to give me the choice. But we'll go ahead and leave it on there anyways, because that'll be the little, you know, if you were there, you understood why that image is there. Okay, so tags. I'm not really going to put any tags on there. We should be set. So just basically click create. And you are done. That your video is now uploaded. Well, not uploaded. The link is there to YouTube, and it's playable from the page. So, hi, this is Jim. Shut up. So it's just waiting for approval, and once that video is approved, of course, it will go live on the site. And so you can see how that works. We'll just quickly, since this is such a short video as it is, we'll quickly log in as one of the users with that access. And go into the admin panel, and now we have two things waiting approval, both of these, and they're both ready. So we'll just say approve, done, approve, done. Okay, so now we go back to the home page, and you can see that the video on adding a news article is here with my mail call, my mail call thingy. And then Costas' new feature is also up here, so that we added just prior to that. Or did the video for prior to that. So, yep, so click on that. You'll get this. There'll be a discussion link down here that automatically loads. And ready to go. And now I can send an email out to vendors to show them how easy it is. So, see, it only took me an hour or two to get around to this part. And people wonder what I do all day. Anyways, well, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. As soon as I find the off button.